Hi, I'm April with WTI.
Can you say convenient, organized, and gorgeous? I have found the best makeup bag from Relavel. I love how customizable it is, so that no matter what size or shape my makeup item may come in, I know I'll always be able to make a place for it in my bag. I find that these adjustable straps are so durable and really help me get the perfect angle with the mirror. I like that I feel so comfortable and confident when getting ready, knowing that no matter where I get ready or when I get ready, I'll always know right where everything is. And with everything being so organized, I can get ready that much faster. I like that this mirror has an amazing lighting system so that I have different lighting options. Anytime I'm getting ready, I can always have the best light to help me look my best. I enjoy having the option to remove the mirror, which makes it super easy to charge, especially with this really long charging cord. And there are two options that you can use to plug in. I even like to pop out this stand and have it stand independently. I get so many compliments on just how beautiful it is. I think the design and quality is gorgeous. I appreciate that the material is great quality, durable, and easy to clean. I absolutely love the sleek look, and I'm proud to carry this makeup bag with me anywhere.
And that's my point of view.